Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to change the back camera lens on the Samsung Note 9. Now when these break, you may experience different results. In this case, the camera does not focus, so we're going to fix that as well. So the only tools that you'll need is a flat razor blade and some heat. Now we're going to heat up this glass for a few seconds and start picking it out. Obviously you want to make sure to have some protective eyewear for this. If it gets difficult to pick out some of the glass, feel free to add some more heat. Just make sure not to add too much heat because there is a lot of plastic right here. You can pick out all the glass if you want, but what you want to do is eventually get enough so then you can grab this adhesive and then pull on it. It may rip like it did for me, which is fine, but it makes it a little bit easier to do it that way. And there you go. There's the last piece. Now once you have that removed, you want to grab some compressed air, maybe a clean toothbrush, and kind of clean out the camera area. You may have to tap it like shown or shake it to get some of that glass out, but eventually it should fall out. Now I tried a lot and it's still not focusing, so the next step is to remove the back or follow what I'm going to do now, but I highly recommend against this unless you know what you're doing. So what I'm doing is getting a flathead driver and making sure that this metal is perfectly flat. If you add too much pressure, you could break the back or break the camera, so I highly recommend against doing this, but this will definitely help fix the whole blurry issue. Like I said, I highly recommend using compressed air, which is the last thing that I tried, but even then it did not fix the issue. Sometimes you just have to replace a camera unit, which I wasn't able to do. Either way, if your camera does focus, continue on by adding the adhesive on the back. Now what you want to do is set the camera lens with the glossy side on the outside and clean it up and you should be all set. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section or on Twitter at @MattofRWR, and feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Also subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this and other review videos as well. And hit that bell button so then YouTube actually reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.